Ever wondered if DentiCore is the real deal or just another health gimmick? In this video, we'll reveal the truth about this popular dental supplement, its benefits, real user reviews, complaints, and everything you need to decide if it's worth your time and money. DentiCore is a natural dental health supplement that's been making waves for its ability to strengthen teeth, oxygenate gums, and fight bad bacteria. It's marketed as a game changer in oral health, particularly for those looking to avoid invasive dental procedures. Its unique formula includes powerful ingredients like calcium to support enamel strength, iodine known for its antibacterial properties, and copper and chlorella to promote goat gum health and detoxify harmful elements. Unlike conventional products, DentiCore works from the inside out to improve your overall oral ecosystem. Let's talk about the positive feedback. Here are the common benefits users report. Improved gum health. Many reviewers mention reduced inflammation and bleeding gums after consistent use. Fresher breath. Thanks to its bacterial fighting properties, users claim noticeable improvements in breath freshness. Reduced tooth sensitivity. Some users reported being able to enjoy hot and cold foods again without discomfort. One user shared, after 3 weeks of taking DentiCore, my dentist was surprised by how much healthier my gums looked. While results may vary, the general sentiment among satisfied users is that DentiCore complements their oral care routine effectively. Now let's address the other side. Here are the most common complaints. Slower results. Some users felt the benefits took longer than expected, especially if they had severe dental issues. Cost. A few reviewers mentioned that it's pricier than typical dental supplements. Inconsistent outcomes. Like any supplement, DentiCore doesn't work the same way for everyone. However, these concerns are often balanced out by the positive experiences shared by long-term users. If you're expecting overnight results, DentiCore might not meet your expectations. It's more of a long-term investment in your oral health. To get the most out of DentiCore, here are a few tips. Consistency is key. Take it daily as recommended. Pair it with good oral hygiene. Brush, floss, and visit your dentist regularly. Stay hydrated. This helps flush toxins and supports the supplement's detoxifying ingredients. Think of DentiCore as a partner in your oral care journey rather than a replacement for your dentist. So is DentiCore worth trying? If you're searching for a natural way to support healthier teeth and gums, it might be the solution you've been looking for. Thousands of users have reported positive changes, but ultimately, it's up to you to decide if it fits your needs and budget. Click the link in the description below to learn more, read additional reviews, and see special offers. Don't wait. Your smile deserves the best care. Check out DentiCore today and make an informed decision about your dental health.